Becoming wealthy costs less than staying poor. Keyword is wealthy. This is Bill Moist, MS, CPA, Internet Marketer, Commercial Real Estate Broker. I'm on a Think and Grow Rich call, mastermind call, every Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Central Time. And one day a gentleman said something that was kind of startling, and it got us to thinking. And what Cater said was, it costs more to stay broke than to become rich. And at that time we were talking about a story of a man named Paul, who leads that call, who three years ago downloaded from the internet the book Think and Grow Rich for $2.95. And that book has changed his life and changed the lives of many who are on this call. But the comment about Cater was so startling that we just felt like we needed to look at it. It was worthy to take a look closer. So let's just use, for example, let's say you can start a new business for, say, let's just say $5,000, home-based business, and it costs you $150 a month to maintain it. Let's say that's what it costs for a successful home-based business to let you become wealthy. Well, here's what's crazy. How much you pay each month for rent, how much you pay each month for your electric bill, how much you pay each month for your food, how much you pay each month for utilities, for your gasoline, how much you pay for your car insurance, how much you pay each month for entertainment. Well, all those expenses are making you poor. They're not making you rich. They're not creating wealth. If you haven't been taught the difference between expenses and income, assets and liabilities, if you don't understand that clearly, then I encourage you to read the Rich Dad Poor Dad series by Robert Kiyosaki. He discussed those in great detail. But let's go back to our premise here. And here's the proof. This is a government study. It's been done every year for many, many years. And they studied the class of those turning 65 that year. Here's the startling statistics. Pay attention to this. Out of 100 people who are retiring, who are 65, only one is wealthy, 4 are living comfortably, 5 are still working, 56 are living off family and government, and the rest are dead. That's a scary number. Only 1 is wealthy, and only 4 are living comfortably. But that's been true for many, many years. But that's the state of the current U.S. economy. So paying for all those normal monthly expenses that, of course, we have to pay for, it's not making us rich. If it did, there would be more than 1 wealthy person out of 100 retiring. That is evidence that that is the true statement. But once you understand this, then you'll do whatever it takes. You do whatever it takes to become wealthy. You see, because without wealth, our life is unbalanced. We're not free to do the things we need to do, or take care of the things we need to take care of, support the charities we want to support those worthy causes that are important to us. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know your thoughts. Do you believe it costs less to become wealthy than to stay poor? Comment below. I maybe disagree, but that's okay. But just take a look at your monthly expenses. And probably it's a lot less than you can have a great home-based business. Well, this is Bill, and until next video, have an awesome day.